Hello, my name is Herbert Villafuerte, and I'll be talking today about Ignaz Semmelweis, the father of infection control. Ignaz Semmelweis was born on July 1st, 1818, in Buda, Hungary. He was a German-Hungarian physician. He was married, had 5 children. He attended University of Pest in Vienna in 1844, where he was appointed at the OB clinic as the assistant, and later on became a professor in 1855. Semmelweis ran two OB clinics, primarily for the poor, and his studies on hand hygiene began after his friend died of a stick injury while doing an autopsy. Semmelweis noted the death rate from childbed fever, puerperal fever, was very high. Semmelweis, as I said earlier, he ran two clinics. One clinic was run by medical students, and one was by midwives. The one with medical students, however, um, did not practice hand hygiene between doing autopsies and visiting patients in the maternity ward. The other one with midwives, they stuck directly to taking care of patients, so they did not involve themselves in doing any type of autopsies. Hand hygiene was not practiced back then because the belief was that doctors are gentlemen and a gentleman's hands are clean. So he decided to begin a study. He had a control group, an independent group. The control group um, obviously was women that died of puerperal infection following delivery more frequent in the clinic, which was run by the medical students. Then later on, Semmelweis decided to order the students to start washing their hands with a chlorinated lime solution before doing examinations on the pregnant women after doing autopsies. The outcomes of this study: mortality rates dropped significantly from 18.27% to 1.27%. In March and August of 1848, no woman died in either of his clinics. Unfortunately, his findings were ridiculed by the medical community, primarily because doctors are gentlemen and gentlemen don't wash their hands because their hands are clean. His legacy: his studies were later on accepted as medical science. Hand hygiene was proven to be effective in preventing the spread of infection. Hand hygiene is the most important element of infection prevention. Semmelweis was regarded as father of infection control. Thank you very much.